sorry.
We're going to get hair dye. Oh, how are we gonna get through this one? We're driving. You just got yelled at. Excuse me. This is me in a cart. I just like run over. We're so much hair dye. We're here at the hair dye section.
No, we're not. Where's the
Hair dye section. Hair dye. Stop. This is it. Here's my mom. A ball of rubber bands.
No, we're not using a ball.
Come on, can we buy a ball? I want a ball of rubber bands.
Babies. Look at the baby babies. No, just put the thing on the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Stop.
Oh, milk.
Drop my camera.
Milk.
Do this. I'm about to drop it.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, I see it here. Okay. Right here. Oh, we have to go. Shavers. Toothpaste. Somebody's stressed.
Oh my god, I'm wasting stuff.
Aww. Oh.
Okay.
Listerine.
Here we are.
Hair dye. Temporary. This isn't temporary. I want like pink.
Where's the temporary? I don't think they have the temporary. Give me the thing.
Here. Okay.